We're gonna get a little, well, looky there. There's a pussycat up a tree. We don't know if that's a male or a female. It has a very pretty face. Very pretty face. I'm doing a hand hold. I don't have it on a tripod, so it might be a little rough as far as shaky. We got squirrels up a tree, cats up a tree. These old cats, that one's new. We live, say, 3 blocks from the main drag, and I think people just turn off the main drag and come up about 3 blocks and say that's far enough, and they either turn left or right and open the door and kick them out or toss them out the window when they go around the corner. They end up here, but I haven't seen that one. And then when they get hungry, they show up here, all hunched up like an old coon. I'm just wanting to be friendly. That might be maybe that's a tomcat. That might be the daddy of some of these kittens around here. Well, this is the day after the big tornadic and the rain, and our tulips are swamped. Tomatoes got a big old gulp of rainwater. My okra is down here swimming for its life. The watermelon got a big old gulp. And we're mound builders. God almighty. I mean, look at that. It's the first time I saw the swimming pool get filled up. It's something other than dirt. Where all the water comes, over into here where it goes out under the gate. There's the taters. Taters are getting waterlogged, I imagine. Those bottles over there, that's my hillbilly greenhouse operation. I put in some little baby peppers over there. It's a good thing I covered them up. And things are running poorly over here. I had some okra over here showing, really looking good now. Yeah, I got some weeds in there, but I hold that pretty regular. And I think it has, roly-polies eat those leaves, but they're getting tall enough now. I had a lot of okra in there, now it's gone. Only got a few left. I got some Colorado tater beetle bugs, whatever you call them, over here. I think that rain helps. It knocks them down on the ground. Hope it floated some of them. I hope it drowned some last night. Hope Mother Nature killed a lot of bugs for me. Squash did good. See how my mounds melt down? We have a sandy soil. See it? Well, we're in red dirt country anyway, but we had sandy loam. Even the old wild sunflowers took a beating. But the old strawberries did good, I guarantee you that. Look, it's even. Look how it's humid under there. Hope there ain't no snake laying up under there, because I won't get a snake bit on my damn foot. This is my wife's little baby right here. Mama wants strawberries. Mama gets strawberries. That's just so they don't get beat down by the wind. Oklahoma's a windy state, and it's windy out here in the west. And that just keeps them from getting beat down and blown by the wind. Beat down by the hot sun and blown by the wind. Well, that corn got to beat the hell out of them. Oh God, I mean, it got trashed. Sunflowers got beat down. No, yard beans hung in there pretty good. The old tomatillo made it. Difference between these onions here and those onions over there, I just bent those over. I just bent them over with my foot. This is where the water runs through here pretty good. Carrying away my topsoil and putting it over here. And there's commencing the cat fight. That old cat must be a tomcat, because that old black cat, he don't like them. He don't like her. There's my little babies. They're gonna be just fine. I raised these ones right here. Peppers are just taking off just fine. That over there is gonna make it and do pretty good. There's the brawl. Hey, knock it off. I don't know though. I thought it was a little more Appaloosa than that. Kind of gray in the front and spotty on the rear end. Like I say, they just come from everywhere. People just move and leave their cats and come by and throw them out, do the slow roll and toss them out. That's probably the cruelty of it. Well, nothing got tore up on houses or anything, as far as that goes. I might go out there after a while and see if I can't straighten that corn up a little bit, or see if it don't spring back. The corn is for my wife. I did like that corn. It was looking good though. It was growing well. It's from a different seed company. Kind of expensive seed just because it says organic on it. I got that to Tractor Supply. It's a new wave or new era or new something, new harvest. But man, that was some pretty corn. And I'm sure it'll be alright. Now, like I said, I'll go out there and push some dirt back up around it, or they'll spring back. I had some do that last year. And that's about it. 2 killed in El Reno, Oklahoma. El Reno, Oklahoma tore up. They're looking for survivors as I speak. I'm going to go in and look at the news a little bit and call this a wrap.